I'm going to show you how to import bookmarks in DuckDuckGo, so it's really easy. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and find DuckDuckGo right over here, and once you're there, just open it, and now just look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options. Make sure you tap on the three dot button right here, and now find settings. So it is right under download. Just go ahead and tap here, and once you're there, just find sync and backup, which is right under general. And once you're there, make sure you turn on this option of sync with another device. So if you tap on this button, then you would be able to securely sync bookmarks and passwords between your devices, and you would also be able to import bookmarks of another device. So make sure you turn this button on, and now all you need to do is scan QR code, or you can also choose to manually enter code right here and just tap on paste, and in this way you would be able to import bookmarks on DuckDuckGo.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.